Caprice Slimes. Got a new sponsor, and it's not Michelob, unfortunately. But hey, it's okay. Lance, speak.
See how it smells. You know if it's gonna work if it smells good.
Good?
Good.
Let's take a whiff. Oh, it smells like grape. Grape soda. You take a whiff now. Take a sip, huh?
Yeah. Wait, it's not on. You're gonna drop it.
Anyways,
Man.
they sent me what is it? Ceramic quick coat from Shine On. And if you use the code GordoCast, put it right here,
Nice
at
spray.
checkout, you get like 20% off. So you're supposed to spray it, then you wipe it, then you buff it off, and then you repeat. And you can use it on glass, plastic, paint, and metal. So I might go use it on my, oh, can't show that, forgot. This video is going out today. Anyways, Lance got a weird bumper gap, or fender gap, but I'm gonna do the opposite of what they say. I'm gonna spray it first.
My dick can fit this. Dude, stop. Dude.
Hey, that's pretty.
Oh, look. Wow.
Okay. No, look. Before. After.
Look at cool.
Nice and smooth. So, basically what we're saying is, I'm not gonna get a sponsor that I don't believe in. You know, we're very brutally honest. Ask Jonah. We are very brutally honest people. So, if I say it's a good product, it's damn good.
You can wipe this away?
I mean, we're using it for unintended purposes, and
Yeah.
it's working great. Taking the bugs off, taking the dirt off.
See these little spots right here? See them? Bring one.
Now hold up, here's the real test. Do a good little spot, and we'll come with some water, see what it does. So Lance done did a little spot. So let's see what the water does.
Pretty good.
Say it beads off pretty well. If you did a whole truck with that, after it was like actually clean and not dirty like Lance's hood is and truck is, I feel like it would do pretty well. And you can do it on metal, so we could do Lance's we could do Lance's bumper, we could do his rims, his fender liners, his mirrors. We could just do the whole truck really. The glass. Anyways, y'all get the point. Some good product. If y'all use code GordoCast at checkout, you get like 15 or 20% off. I'm gonna put it right here because I don't remember which one it is. Or you can hit the link in the description. Looks pretty good.
I like it.
Tobin?
I'll be using that code.
Yeah, you use that code. Tobin, you're rich, so you don't have to use the code, but
Fucking broke right now. Just had to fucking dig some money on my ass just to put gas.
All my fucking money.
oh, secret. Look at that shot.
Very smooth like GoPro.
Look at that shine. Take a little bit of that yabbity doo bop dibbity doo.